Hi guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to another video. Today, yesterday, okay, today's a new day, okay? Yesterday, I finished off here with my crocheting. Did I finish this row? No, I didn't finish the row that I'm on, but it's fine, okay? So, like I said yesterday in the previous video for you guys, I need 7.5 more stripes, and I started here. So this is 1, 2, 3. I'm on the 4th one out of 7.5. And so my plan for today is to finish the back, finish the sleeves. The sleeves should not take long at all. So finish the entire back before the sleeves, start and finish the sleeves, and then start on the front panel. I don't have to get a lot of progress done on the front panel because I feel like I'll do most of it tomorrow, but today I feel like I can really get this done. So let's get it done. Hi, it's the next day. I didn't film anything, I think, yesterday, and if I did, it was just a little something, I don't know. But it is the next day. I did finish the rest of the back panel and one sleeve, and now I'm about to work on the next sleeve. It shouldn't take too long, but yesterday I didn't start crocheting until like 4 p.m., like late 4 p.m., maybe 4:30 or something, and then I just like crocheted on and off, so I didn't get a lot of time yesterday on it, but today I will have a lot of time because it's like 11 a.m. right now, and I'm going to have way more time to do stuff since I don't have to go anywhere today. I didn't realize I had places to go yesterday, so my whole timeline was thrown off, but is today the 4th day? Need to check my Notion. So today I need to edit my first video and schedule that, but then for the rest of the day it's just me continuing working on this cowl. Gosh, look at all these ends, crazy. Yeah, so let me see. Yeah, I need to edit that, but I'll do that later. And today, when did I start this? Started around 1, 2, 3, 4. So today is the 5th day out of 8 days. I'm gonna finish this. Honestly, I need to like start and basically finish the front panel today. Finishing this sleeve, spending the rest of the day on the front panel, potentially finishing it, or finishing the front panel, getting to the sleeve of it. That's like day 5, day 6. That should be good. I should still be on track. So I'm gonna finish the back panel today, like I've been saying, and then do the front panel and do as much as I can with the front panel. Because the front panel will be 27 centimeters. And let me see how many stripes that is right quick. So I need to do 8.5 of these stripes for the front panel and then do the sleeve panel. Can I do that? I feel like I can do that. Especially since I'm actually going to stay up tonight. I was going to stay up last night and then that just didn't happen. Okay, that's okay. All right, let's get started. Guys, I finished my back panel. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I made it this big last time? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Anyway, this is what it's looking like so far. Oh, amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I can't believe I am doing this. Look at all these ends. All of these. All of these. Over here as well. I mean on top as well. I don't feel like leaving in all of these, but I have to. Anyway, I'm gonna start the front panel. Should I leave it in? Or should I wait until the front panels are done and then do like a mass weaving in ends? I think I'll do a mass weaving in ends because right now I just feel like crocheting. I don't feel like weaving in ends, but I'm very excited to weave in ends because once I finish all the panels, I'm gonna be like, I think I want to just weave in all my ends. Yeah. What if I just make that its own video, just me weaving in all of these ends? That would be funny. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, now time to start on the next panel, which will be the first front panel. So let me show you how much yarn I've used so far. So this is, I gotta get the color numbers, 21, 25, 21, 25. Okay, so I used 3 balls of color 25 and then literally a sliver of the 4th one. This is the 4th skein. This is a fresh skein that I just pulled out, and I used like that much yarn of that. So 3 full skeins, a sliver of the 4th one, and then 2 full skeins of the lighter color. So this is the darker color, this is the lighter color. So far I've used 5 balls total. 5 full balls total? Yes. I have 7 of this and 6 of this. So I will 100% have enough of the light color. I'm on ball number 4 right now, and I have 3 more balls after that. I think I'll have enough. We'll see, oh guys. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I will have enough at least for the front panels. We will see how things go with the button band and the collar. Okay? But just an update on the amount of yarn used. I am really excited for this because it is now, I feel like things are moving along. Now that I've finished, I'm like, yeah, actually, it's not going as slow as I thought. And it's currently 7:03 p.m. right now, and I would have finished earlier, but I went out to go eat with my sisters, and now we're going to stay up tonight, which is exciting. So now I'm going to repeat what I did with the back panel, except make it shorter, obviously. So what did I say it was? 8.5 stripes, I think. I'll do 7 full stripes, and then we'll see. Will I even get to 7 stripes tonight? I don't know. The first row of this is the worst ever. Ever. But I have my notes from May. Yeah, I made my notes in May when I made my first $100 polo. And I have like all the chains and everything that I did. So it's actually pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about not having to think so far. So I'm going to start on the front panel. We'll see how things go. It's 7:03, remember? 04 now, p.m. This is where I am. You guys, I don't feel like crocheting anymore today. I took a break. Hold on, I need to charge my iPad. Oh, hey. I took a break, and then I got back to it, but I found myself slowing down, and I was just like, I don't feel like crocheting, like, ugh.
Be like that, bro. Like, I've been doing it too much.
Yeah, like, it just, like, literally just felt like, I was done for today.
I'm like, bro, I can't push myself to keep going.
Right.
Like, that's too much.
Do I have 3 more days to finish the rest of this based on my plans? Yes. Have I been procrastinating? Yes. Here's what I have of the front panel. 2 full stripes and starting a 3rd one. But I finished the back panel sleeves, okay, so that's good. And, you know, we'll get through this, okay? We'll get through this. Just pretend this is the finish. Oh, look at how good. I know,
I'll
right?
literally make it a part of the style.
Heck no. I'm gonna weave them all in once I finish the front panels, but this is looking so good.
Hi, guys.
So all good.
I had to weave in ends for my little tiny top, and I almost threw up.
I love weaving it. I'll make a whole video just me weaving ends.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah. Anyway, that's it from me for this video because it's midnight and I'm going to sleep. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be reading. I just don't feel like crocheting anymore, and this is just. I literally got no. I did not get a lot done today, but it's okay. Okay. Forget what I said. Tomorrow, I'm finishing this front panel. I have no choice, actually. Because it's day 6. I need to finish this day 8. Okay? Tomorrow's day 6, not today. Tomorrow. Yeah, today's day 5. So, day 6, I will be finishing the front panel. And starting the next panel. This just needs to be 8.5 or something. The other front panel.
Oh, shoot.
The front panel, including the sleeve, okay? So, front panel sleeve, start on the next front panel. It needs to be done. It needs to be done. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are a part of this Cal, remember to tag me. Well, you don't have to tag me. You can tag me. But remember to use hashtag $SandPoloCal, C-A-L, so that you can enter to win the prizes at the end of this crochet along. And just so that I can see your projects, because it's going to be great, it's going to be fun. So many people have been tagging me on Instagram, showing me their yarns. I'm just like, oh my gosh, wait, like real people are actually about to participate. Like this is not, anyway. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Good night. Subscribe if you haven't. Join the Cal if you haven't, because by the time this comes out, the Cal would have been well on its way. Starting. Whatever. Good night. Bye.
I love you
Oh.
so much. I love you. I don't know what I would do without you. It's like, oh my God, I love you so much. And I want to say goodnight. I want to say goodnight. My heart, I want to say goodnight.